Hello guys, good morning, welcome to my channel. So since I haven't posted for 2 days, my last post was Friday, I think. Supposed to be I will be posting every day, but so busy for a few days because of the coming Christmas. No, not Christmas, Chinese New Year. So hope you guys still continue to support my channel, and thank you so much for those who are really my loyal friends and keep on supporting me even though my reply or my response were sometimes late. It's just because of due to some work reasons. So, as an OFW, ito lang po masasabi ko, ang hirap maghanap ng oras kasi parang once you have an employer as an OFW, yung parang nakokontrol na yung time mo, even your life. You cannot even decide for your own because you have to follow the orders. So, ang hirap. And this is why sometimes nakakasakit ng dibdib, but I still can't carry it on. Just smile and leave it. Ganun lang kasimple para sa akin. So, minsan mahirap talaga, at to the point na as human nature, we feel weak, and kumbaga napupush tayo dun sa limit or to the end na parang mag self-pity tayo. Pero once you have belief or you believe in God, I think everything will be possible. Kaya iyan lang po ang pinanghawakan ko, my faith. That's it, my faith. So kahit minsan you miss your family, you want to talk to them, or you want to talk to them but you don't have a spare time dahil nga may amo ka, or yung time mo is yung schedule mo is napaka-hectic. So talagang panakaw-nakaw lang. Yun lang. So guys, hope those who are new, hope you will not forget to subscribe and share if you find my videos interesting. And again, thank you everyone for supporting me. I won't stay long dahil yun nga, busy ang schedule sa pararating na Chinese New Year. So we have 4 days holidays from Saturday 20.
Thank you for watching!
First day of Chinese New Year.